Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is JR at JRDigital.com. In this video guys, we'll take a look at PageDyno. Now this is a brand new software or app that will let you guys create an attention grabbing lead capture pages. Other people call this as squeeze pages or opt-in pages, to help you guys build your email list or to build a buyer's email list. Now you're not just limited to opt-in pages or lead capture pages. With this app you can also create landing pages and pop apps without you having to worry about the technical aspects of creating and designing your website, learning WordPress, purchasing domain and hosting. Alright, now as you can see, I'm inside of the dashboard of this app right here. Now before I'm gonna walk you through here how this works, how you can easily set up your pages, lead capture pages, landing pages, opt-in pages, guys, let me show you first my bonuses. That way when you guys pick this up through the link down in the description of this video, you also get access as well to my bonuses that will really help you guys out, surefire your success with PageDyno. My bonus number 1, I'm gonna give you guys access to a free traffic source. This is actually a case study on how to generate $4,000 in free commissions just by plugging in and implementing a free traffic method, guys. You can use this method to promote any kind of product or offer. You can easily replicate this, guys, and you can use the traffic to send you can send the traffic into your lead capture pages with PageDyno. Alright, so that is my bonus number 1. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this. My bonus number 2, guys, I'm gonna show you a hack on how to use Facebook to not just build your email list, send the traffic to your Dyno page or PageDyno lead capture pages, and build your email list and make affiliate commissions. Not just affiliate commissions, big affiliate commissions, right? So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in this bonus number 2 right here. This is the exact method that I use, guys, to make commissions and build my email list really fast and for free. Alright, and then my next bonus for you guys, I'm gonna give you guys access to my course. Right, this is gonna show you how to 5x or 10x the conversions of your traffic, converting the traffic into sales using my KLT method or KLT system. Alright, and this is really powerful because I put all of my knowledge, guys, in this training course, and I know that this will really help you guys out a lot when it comes to converting the traffic into sales and making more money. Alright, so that is my bonus number 3. My next bonus for you guys, I'm gonna show you a no-selling system or no-selling method to make money with affiliate marketing. Basically, guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to force Gmail to send you not just traffic, an evergreen and high quality free traffic. With this method, you can I suggest to use this method to promote your main offer. This is really powerful, guys. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, how you can use this method to drive free traffic into your PageDyno lead capture pages. My bonus number 5, I'm going to give you guys access to the exact software, to the exact automation software that will help you. Actually, this is the exact software that I'm currently using right now to build my email list. This comes with page builders, automation software, Autoresponder, and opt-in page or squeeze page creator. This is a premium software or premium email list building tool, right? And then bonus number 6, guys, is all vendor bonuses, right? So when you guys click any of these buttons right here from my bonus page, it will take you this to the sales page that looks something like this. The headline says create awesome looking attention grabbing lead capture pages in just a few clicks of your mouse. You can also create landing pages and pop apps so fast you probably need a cafe. Alright, and these are the examples of the lead capture pages, guys, that you can create right here. There are other examples as well right here. Right, so yeah, let me walk you through inside of the app right here. And by the way, guys, you can integrate this with most of the email marketing softwares out there. Let me show you the integrations right here. And you don't need to worry about the integrations because you can integrate this, guys, with different kind of email marketing software right here. All right, so these are all of the you know email marketing software that you can use to integrate with PageDyno. And then this is where you create a campaign by clicking on this campaigns right here. So this is where you set up your campaign. So you're gonna need to follow this 5-step process right here. So step number 1 is, this is where you choose what kind of lead capture page that you want to create. So let's say you wanted to create this image backs lead capture page right here. You can edit the headline right here. Let's say you want to put a how to make money, or learn how, or automated system that will generate, you know, $100 per day. All right, something like this. You can easily, you know, change the headline right here. You can change this image right here. You can click on this gear icon, and it will let you customize the color of that text right here. And you can, you know, customize the positioning of that text, by the way. And then you can also click on this image right here, and it will let you upload your own image from your computer. Here you can also upload your image right here, or you can choose this backs image URL, which will allow you to just, you know, copy and paste an image URL right here. All right, and then you can click on this buttons right here and choose, you know, either 1 button or 2 buttons right here. So let's say you only need 1 button right here, so you have 1 button right here. You can change the color, you can change the border, you can pretty much customize the look and feel of your button. And then step number 2, guys, is your opt-in page right here, or your lead capture page or opt-in form. You can change this headline, this text right here, this image right here. You can click on this one right here, and will let you customize the, you know, backs field settings right here. All right, and then this button right here, just like I showed a while ago, you can customize the look and feel of that button right here. And then step number 3 is your thank you page right here. You can change this headline, this image right here, and this download button link right here. You can put your download link right here, or access link right here, and choose change the look and feel of that button. And then step number 4 is you can use this feature as well, this live, you know, proof or dyno proof right here. You can use this one right here, or this one right here. And then the last one is the step number 5 is the targeting. You can put your own URL or your own custom domain right here. Now if you don't want to use your own domain, you don't need to worry, because when you click on this save right here, and when you click on this exit right here, this will provide you this landing page link or link right here that you can use, guys, if you don't want to use your own custom domain. But you can use your own custom domain if you wanted to do that. And then you can embed this onto your website. You can share this on social media. You can you know, get your Dyno Lock link, and then you can download a code right here. It will provide you a code right here by clicking on this download button right here, and then you can export a code right here, or you can import this code inside of Dyno page. If you wanted to clone this, if you wanted to share this page to other people, you can use this import code right here. All right, and then yeah, and this is where you see all of your campaigns that you've created. So click on this manage campaigns. This is where you see all of your campaigns right here. You can edit a specific campaign, you can delete a specific campaigns, you can clone, you can preview. When you click on this preview, it will let you preview that campaign that you've created right here. You can actually put a bar like this, and you can easily, you know, do that while creating your campaign. I forgot to show you how to do that, but you can put a bar like this in creating your pages, right? So that's the demo of this app. And then there's an inbuilt split testing software right here, which will let you split test your landing pages or opt-in pages, the performance of those pages, right? That way you can, like, you know, maximize your earnings and maximize your sales. All right, and then options right here, the category management. You can create your own category, and then this integrations right here, which will let you integrate this with different kind of email marketing softwares. And there are some add-ons right here, or upsells, right? You can actually learn those upsells in my bonus page right here by clicking the link below this video. Alright, so these are the upsells right here. OTO number 1 is this PageDyno Conversion Accelerator Kit, and then OTO number 2 is this Campaign Optimizer Kit, and then bonus OTO number 3 is PageDyno Instant Lead Magnets Kit, and then OTO number 4 is this one-time buyout beta new user deal, right? So yeah, those are all of the things, guys, that you can expect when you get into PageDyno. And yeah, if you have any more questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna try my best to answer all of your questions, guys. And again, guys, all of my bonuses are waiting for you inside of your JBizoo account after you pick up PageDyno through the link down in the description of this video. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this review video, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye. Love you. Bye.